Hello guys, here you can see here is this person has 1431 reviews already completed with $85 standard price. If I just multiply 1431 multiply by $85, then you can see guys it's almost 121,000 plus dollar. Still this person has 130 orders in queue with $85 standard price, and you can see guys it's 11,000 plus dollar. If you also want to make this easy money by using canva.com only, then please try to watch this video till the end. Today in this video I will show you how you can make 100,000 plus dollar easily by using canva.com only. I will not just show you, I will also deliver my $75 Fiverr order on a live screen by using canva.com only. So guys, if you are interested to make this money, then please try to watch this video till the end. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here you can see here is my $75 order here on Fiverr. Guys, I already delivered this order by using canva.com only, and I earned $60 with this Fiverr order. I will show you completely on a live screen how I delivered this order and which service I provide here on Fiverr and how I am making money online from Fiverr. So guys, if you are interested, then please try to watch this video till the end, and also please don't forget to give me a like on this video, share your best comment, and if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You can see guys, I just refresh the page again, so you can trust it. I'm not making any types of fake video or anything like that. This is 100% real and on a live screen. I actually get this order and I deliver this order by using canva.com only. I will show you how I deliver this order, so please try to watch this video till the end. You can see guys, this order is finished now with 5-star review. You can see 23 hours ago this order was finished and I get 5-star review from my client. And you can see guys, this is the Fiverr delivery. I delivered this order by using canva.com. You can see guys, I just designed this image by using canva.com. You can see, and I deliver to my client. I will show you how I manage $75 order here on Fiverr and how I earn $60 with this Fiverr order. So please try to watch this video till the end. You can see guys, with this order what I have to do is I have to manage my client's social media profile. I have to design post for my client's social media profile. I have to manage LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. I just have to design one image and I have to upload it on all social media posts, on all social media profiles of my client. I will show you how I do this. So please try to watch this video till the end. You can see guys, here is my delivery and I deliver this image like this by using canva.com. You can see this is the thumbnail I just used. This is the template I use from Canva. Guys, I am a pro member on Canva. I can also provide you pro membership on Canva. If you want pro membership on Canva, please contact me on Facebook. You will find my Facebook link in the description. You can see guys, I just use this pro template and I just attach my client image and I also add some quote by using, I just copy the quote from Google. My client provide me all the images. I just copy and paste image. You can see guys, here you can see here my client provide me all the image. You can see it now. Let me just show you. Here you can see, here my client provide me all the images. I just download the image from here. I just come here on canva.com. I just use this template and I make post like this. And once I complete the post like this, what I do is I just open this account hootsuite.com. My client provide me this account as well. I do not buy anything. My client provide me all the detail. You can see I just log in this Hootsuite account. And now let me show you how I make the post. Let me just copy the code here. You can see guys, I just copy the code from here. Let me just open notepad file. I just paste the code from here. You can see, and you can see guys, this is my client Hootsuite account. I do not buy this account. My client provide me this account. So I just do copy and paste guys. You can see guys, let me just open Instagram account so I can copy the hashtag. You can see guys, this is my last post I make by using canva.com. I designed this post by using canva.com. You can see guys, I just copy all the text and hashtag here. I just copy it and I just paste it here. You can see, and I just copy all this text from here. Again I come to Hootsuite account and let me just click here on this start scheduling button. You can see guys, I just click here on start scheduling button and let me just add all the social media profile. You can see here is the Instagram, here is the LinkedIn, here is the Facebook, and here is the LinkedIn. You can see I check all the 3 social media profile Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram. And now let me just upload the image here. You can see guys, I think this is the right image. I just paste the text here, you can see, which I copied from the last post. You can see, and you can see guys, here is the post I make. And now I'm just going to click here on post now button. In this software we will automatically post this image and this text to all my client social media profile, LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. It's very easy guys. You can also provide this exact same service here on Fiverr is like this one. You will have to provide the service like this. I will be your social media manager and personal assistant, and you will have to provide this service like this on fiverr.com, and you can make easy money. You can see guys, this person has already make 121,000 plus dollar by using Fiverr and Canva. It's very easy money guys. Don't leave money on the table. Just go on Fiverr and start providing the exact same service as I show you today in my this video. I also deliver my order, Fiverr order related to this service on a live screen. So just copy and paste and start providing the exact same service which I show you today in my this video. I hope you will like this video. Please don't forget to give me a like on this video, share your best comment, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Here you will find quality content about social media marketing, make money online, freelancing work and everything in between. Guys, the beauty of my channel is I only make video on that topic which I personally follow and make money online. So for the quality content guys, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, and also please don't forget to watch my other videos as well. In my this video I show you how I deliver my $300 Fiverr order in just 30 minutes. So you can follow the exact same method and start making $300 in just 30 minutes from Fiverr over and over again. In my this video I show you how I make $500 order from Fiverr, and I deliver this $500 order by using my mobile only. I just delivered this order in less than 1 hour and I earn $500 on a live screen. Please don't forget to watch my this video as well. It will help you a lot to get orders on fiverr.com and start making money from Fiverr. In my this video, 3 days ago I made this video, and in my this video I show you how you can rank your gig at the first page of Fiverr in just 3 days and how you can get your first order within a week. You will find all this video link in the description. Please watch this video as well and do not leave money on the table. Go on Fiverr and start providing the exact same service which I show you in my today's video. If you have any question guys, please feel free to ask me in the comment. I would love to help you. You can also join my Facebook group. You will find my Facebook group link in the description. And guys, for pro membership on Canva, you can contact me on Facebook. You will find my personal Facebook link in the description. You can ask me your question. If you have any question, I will reply you within 24 hours. So thank you so much for your time guys. Love you guys. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Keep watching my videos. Bye bye.